Verifying your Afterpay account is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to all features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Afterpay app. Start by downloading the Afterpay app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have the app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Step 2. Create or log into your account. Open the app and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your email address and password. Make sure to use a valid email address that you have access to. Step 3. Provide personal information. Once logged in, you will be prompted to enter personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches your identification documents. Step 4. Verify your identity. After entering your personal information, you may need to verify your identity. This could involve uploading a government-issued ID or providing additional details to confirm your identity. Step 5. Confirm your email address. Check your email for a verification link from Afterpay. Click on the link to confirm your email address. This step is crucial for completing your account verification. Once you have completed these steps, your Afterpay account should be verified, allowing you to use all the services offered. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay customer support for assistance.